About to go pick Landon up for school. School right here. Hi. Need to pick up my son.
Okay, come on in.
All right.
Who's your son?
Landon.
Oh, okay. I'm Allison.
How you doing, Allison? Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Are you on the pickup list?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you picked him up before?
No, he doesn't even know I'm here.
He doesn't know you're here?
No.
What's your last name? You have the same name as him?
Get the crayons.
Ringo.
That's right. Get the crayons in the middle. Alright, now we're going to color some shapes. But you have to listen to directions. Alright?
Notice she says it.
So the first color we're going to use right now is going to be red. So pass around the box and everybody gets out a red crayon.
That's orange. That's
Put your name on the top.
this is
No, that one's not red, honey. That's an orange. Okay. I'll find you a red. Good. Here's red, honey.
circle red.
No, don't do anything yet. Put your name on the top or on the back. Okay, then turn it over and write your name on the back. Okay, then turn it over the right way. Write your name on the front. Good job. All right. When you're done, it's all right, Izzy. I'll get it, honey. I'll get it. When you're done, turn your paper over so I know that you're ready to start.
Done.
Okay, turn your paper over so I know you're ready to start.
I'm starting.
Do you have an ID?
Start without the teacher. You gotta listen to her.
Has he seen you yet?
Izzy, turn around.
Did you just come?
All right, Nicholas, turn it over. Good job. Ria, turn it over.
When's the last time you saw him?
7
No,
months
you
ago.
have it the right way.
He still
All right,
hasn't
so we're
turned
going to look
around.
at this top line right here. It says
he gonna
color
lose
the
it?
triangle
I don't know.
red. What does a triangle look like? I'll get you a red one. No, that's a square. Remember we made triangles
such a
with our
good
fingers
kid.
this morning.
This one.
That's right. No,
It's
a
this
triangle
one.
has 3 sides and 3 points. Yeah, that's right.
This one.
Oh. Yep. How many points do you think? 1? 3 points. Yeah, that's a triangle. It's got 3 sides and 3 points. So you're going to color all of the triangles red.
You can turn it.
Graham, sit on your bottom.
Sorry, you can turn it. Because you need 3 points each.
That's right. Any way you turn it, it's going to be a triangle, huh?
Okay.
Any way that you see. If you look at it that way, it's a different triangle, but it still has 3 sides and 3 points. And then from this way, 3 sides and 3 points. Where are some other triangles? Can you find some more triangles? Where's one? Which one? Yep.
I didn't know this was the green thing, so I do it today.
3 pointy things. I'm just doing the wall. You're just doing. Yeah.
How you doing, son?
Who is it?
Oh my God! So there you came.
I'm glad.
He was like, he looked up and down a few times.
I didn't know you came. You gave me a pink. one, but I have to finish.
You gotta finish.
That's a big one too, Daddy. That's a big
I
one.
gotta finish that. I gotta do my work.
I got a wet one.
No, I haven't checked yet.
Okay.
Well,
I didn't want to like
no, you
Ruin the moment.
ruin the moment, so I had to wait. Yeah. Graham.
You keep me up.
There's another triangle. Good job.